People are spending hundreds of dollars on HeyGen every month, but what if I told you there's a way to generate 30-minute AI talking head videos for free? No coding, no inspect element, no complicated methods. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it and how to download your videos the easy way. Let's begin. First, open your browser and head straight to the official HeyGen website. You can simply search for HeyGen on Google and click the official verified link. I want to show you just how clean and legitimate this process really is. We're not using any strange VPNs, proxy accounts, or anything like that. Just click the Google sign-in button and use your regular personal email account. Once you finish the quick welcome setup, you'll land on the main dashboard. It looks just like the regular premium experience. Now we're going to make the most of the platform's workspace. This is where you need to follow my clicks carefully. If you miss a step here, you'll run into the standard subscription limit. From the menu on the left, click Avatar. Then at the top, open the My Avatars section. First, we need to create our custom avatar. Click Create a Virtual Character, then click Upload Photo and upload a high-quality photo of yourself. After the image finishes processing, a Review Upload pop-up will appear. Approve it, wait a few seconds, then click Continue. Next, the system will ask for a few basic details to set up your avatar. Give it a name, select your age group, choose your gender, then click Continue. An audio selection screen will appear asking you to choose a default voice. For now, simply close or skip that window. That's it. Your custom avatar is now fully created and waiting inside your My Avatars list. Now stop. If you enjoy discovering free AI tools and hidden workflows before everyone else, make sure you subscribe. I upload practical AI tutorials every week that help you save money, create better content, and stay ahead of new AI updates. Now, let's get back to the tutorial. This is exactly where 99% of people get stuck behind the paywall. If you click your avatar the normal way, the platform will immediately ask you to spend credits to generate a video. Don't do that. Instead, move your mouse over your new avatar. You'll see three small icons appear on top of the image, a three-dot menu on the left, a play button in the center, and a heart icon on the right. Click the play button in the middle. A hidden advanced menu will appear. Select the first option called Build Scene by Scene. Instantly, the interface changes. You've now moved beyond the standard editor and entered the Advanced Scene Builder workspace. On the left panel, you'll see an option to upload audio. This is where the real magic happens. Normally, HeyGen limits you to about 1 minute of generation on the standard workflow. Today, we're going far beyond that limit. Click Upload Audio and choose your voiceover file. Just to prove this method works, I'm uploading an audio file that's almost 6 minutes long. Wait a moment while it processes. Your entire script will be automatically transcribed and loaded on the left side of the screen. Now move over to the control panel on the right. You'll see a section called Motion Engine. By default, it's set to Avatar 4. Open the drop-down menu and change it from Avatar 4 to Avatar 3. Listen carefully. This is the most important step in the entire video. Do not click the blue Generate button in the top right corner. That button triggers the normal credit system. If you click it, the free workflow ends. Instead, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings panel. You'll see a small button labeled Render Scene. Click Render Scene. Right now, HeyGen servers are processing your entire 6-minute video directly inside the workspace without sending it through the normal account generation flow. Because my audio is almost 6 minutes long, it'll naturally take a little longer for the system to sync the lip movements and process the video. If you're using a 30-second clip, it'll finish much faster. Just wait a minute or two until you see the green checkmark that says Scene Rendered. The moment that checkmark appears, your fully lip-synced video is already rendered inside your browser. Now we need to save it to our device in full 1080p quality without any branding or watermarks. For that, install the Video Downloader Plus browser extension. Make sure you install the exact same extension shown on the screen. I've already installed it. Now let me show you how to download your video. First, play the generated video. Then click the Video Downloader Plus extension. You'll see multiple download options, such as 0.85 megabytes and 62, 1 MB. Always choose the largest file because it's usually the highest quality version. Wait a few seconds for it to finish loading. Then, click Download and your video will be saved directly to your device. Now let me show you the final result. I just created this 5-minute AI talking head video completely free.